Uniswap value equivalent to $4.6342 a coin. The present reach: $4.4751, $4.7795. The earlier day close: $4.6901. The change was 0.0559, 1.19%. Backwards rate: United States dollars to UNA. Uniswap value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Uniswap cost expectation for November 2023. Before all else cost at $4.15. Most extreme cost $6.06, least cost $4.01. The normal for the month $4.90. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $5.38, change for November 29.6%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. Initially cost at $5.38. Most extreme cost $6.60, least cost $4.93. The normal for the month $5.77. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $6.17, change for December 14.7%. Uniswap cost expectation for January 2024. To start with cost at $6.17. Greatest cost $6.17, least cost $5.35. The normal for the month $5.86. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $5.75, change for January 6.8%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. First and foremost cost at $5.75. Greatest cost $6.28, least cost $5.46. The normal for the month $5.84. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $5.87, change for February 2.1%. Uniswap cost expectation for WAC 2024. At the outset cost at $5.87. Most extreme cost $5.87, least cost $4.58. The normal for the month $5.31. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $4.93, change for spring 16.0%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. In the first place cost at $4.93. Greatest cost $6.12, least cost $4.93. The normal for the month $5.43. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $5.72, change for April 16.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for May 2024. First and foremost cost at $5.72. Greatest cost $6.42, least cost $5.58. The normal for the month $5.93. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $6, change for May 4.9%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. Initially cost at $6.00. Most extreme cost $6, least cost $5.14. The normal for the month $5.67. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $5.53, change for June 7.8%. Uniswap cost expectation for July 2024. Before all else cost at $5.53. Most extreme cost $5.53, least cost $4.63. The normal for the month $5.17. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $4.98, change for July 9.9%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. Initially cost at $4.98. Most extreme cost $4.98, least cost $4.32. The normal for the month $4.73. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $4.65, change for August 6.6%. Uniswap cost expectation for September 2024. Before all else cost at $4.65. Greatest cost $4.92, least cost $4.28. The normal for the month $4.61. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $4.60, change for September 1.1%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for October 2024. First and foremost cost at $4.60. Greatest cost $5.71, least cost $4.60. The normal for the month $5.06. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $5.34, change for October 16.1%. Uniswap cost expectation for November 2024. At the outset cost at $5.34. Most extreme cost $5.34, least cost $4.38. The normal for the month $4.94. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $4.71, change for November 11.8%. Uniswap cost expectation for January 2026. Initially cost at $1.62. Most extreme cost $1.84, least cost $1.60. The normal for the month $1.70. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $1.72, change for January 6.2%. Unity United States dollars expectations for February 2026. To start with cost at $1.72. Greatest cost $1.72, least cost $1.34. The normal for the month $1.56. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $1.44, change for February 16.3%. Uniswap cost expectation for WAC 2026. First and foremost cost at $1.44. Greatest cost $1.79, least cost $1.44. The normal for the month $1.59. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.67, change for spring 16.0%. Unity United States dollars expectations for April 2026. Before all else cost at $1.67. Most extreme cost $2.01, least cost $1.67. The normal for the month $1.81. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $1.88, change for April 12.6%. Uniswap cost expectation for May 2026. In the first place cost at $1.88. Greatest cost $1.88, least cost $1.47. The normal for the month $1.70. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $1.58, change for May 16.0%. Unity United States dollars expectations for June 2026. To start with cost at $1.58. Greatest cost $1.58, least cost $1.24. The normal for the month $1.43. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.33, change for June 15.8%. Uniswap cost expectation for July 2026. Before all else cost at $1.33. Most extreme cost $1.65, least cost $1.33. The normal for the month $1.46. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $1.54, change for July 15.8%. Unity United States dollars expectations for August 2026.